Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Damaira YouTube channel. Today's video is Damaira Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. Please share, like, subscribe our channel. You can see walk-in for positions, production, packing, micro, QC, warehouse, quality assurance, HR, accountants, and marketing. These walk-in are conducted at 23rd April 2023 Sunday and time is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and venue is Paras Plaza, Ambala, Chandigarh XP, Shakti Nagar, Bhagat Singh Nagar and Derabasi, Punjab. Coming to the education and qualification, graduate science 12th pass, ITI and 10th pass, BA, BCom, MCom, MBA, BBA and postgraduates candidates can apply to these positions and experience is 2 to 7 years and freshers can also apply these positions. If you have any query, please contact the given numbers or send resume to mentioned email ID. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Thank you. See you in the next video.